wanna go? Get one? Oh, look at all the desserts that they have. Here, let's go look. Holy cow, look at that. Look.
That's the bingsu. Oh, your child can have one.
So just double checking, I have one matcha bingsu and one Onaona magic bingsu for
Yeah.
you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, is that what you got? You want me to try this first?
But some sweet mushroom. Crunchy.
Crunchy and cold. Good.
A lot of ice cream. Oh, I should have watched how they filled it up.
So good.
Look how they fill it up. Two sides, yeah? Oh, sorry.
How is that?
They like Captain Crunch cereal with ice cream inside.
She says mix it. So mix the azuki. See what this tastes like.
Doesn't look as pretty when you mix it up though. This is the name of the place, by the way. Onaona. Oh, this is interesting. It's different.
Yeah, it's actually really good. You guys should try this. Good, fluffy shaved ice, that Korean style, yeah? You guys gotta go try this place, Onaona, Hawaii. Right across from Macy's and Starbucks, right next to the Lanai food court. When you order the those bowls that Cheryl's eating, it's on the counter there, but when you get it, it looks different. But it tastes really good. Check this place out. Onaona, Hawaii. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. It's very good. Thank you. Oh yeah, can you take a picture? Onaona. Cool.